26. A small box is on a ramp tilted at an angle theta above the horizontal. The box may be subject to the following forces: frictional, gravitational, pulling or pushing, and normal. In the following free body diagrams for the box, the lengths of the vectors are proportional to the magnitudes of the forces. Which figure best represents the free body diagram for the box if it is sliding down the ramp at constant speed? For the box to be moving at constant speed, you must have equilibrium of forces up and down the ramp. Now, that includes two possible choices, except that in this case, you cannot have an x component equal to mg cosine of theta. That's just not correct. The only other one where you have two opposing components is this one, where mg has an x component down the ramp, like so. Therefore, this is the only choice where you can possibly have that the object is moving down the ramp with constant speed.